Are you looking for a fantastic 2-bedroom plus a den condo apartment located by GS Lakie in Lethbridge? Well, this is the place for you. Let's take a quick tour.
We have our welcoming committee today, Buddy and Buster. As you walk into this unit, you walk up to the dining room, living room, and kitchen. It's a well laid out kitchen with your dishwasher, built-in microwave, and lots of cabinet space. The cabinets actually go all the full length, almost to the entire ceiling, so you've got lots of cabinet space for a smaller unit. Again, there's the dining room, and it overlooks, the kitchen overlooks the fireplace, which is fantastic on those winter, cold winter months where you need just a little extra warmth. It overlooks the GS Lakie Middle School playground, which gives you that open feel concept. And you can set your day to the tones of the alarms for the school changing periods. This unit has a loft that can be used as many different things. I've seen it used as another living room, a computer room, or just a flex room. Looking down over, again, the main level of the property. This unit has a half bathroom, which is great. And then as we go downstairs to the open concept front door, lots of natural light to your single garage. And yes, a small vehicle can be put in that garage. So a nice little single garage in the basement. We have a storage at the bottom here with our laundry room, furnace room, and a little bit of storage. Next to it is our master bedroom. The last people in here did have a king size bed. Again, bedrooms are nice and bright. You do not feel like you're in a dungeon. Across from the master bedroom is the full bathroom. The tile in this unit is actually heated, which is quite wonderful on the feet. And again, our small bedroom with large windows and decent closet space. So again, that is a tour by Jody and Buddy and Buster. If you have any questions, reach out to me.